What's good YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another review for you guys. The Jordan 5 has been a silhouette that I've definitely started to appreciate a lot more over the last couple of years and added to my collection. And in this video, we're going to be talking about one of the cleanest, one of definitely the iciest colorways to drop so far on the 5s. I will be reviewing the Jordan 5 in the Bluebird colorway. What up guys, to all my long-term viewers, welcome back, and to those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Josh. I drop sneaker content, at least 3 reviews a week, so make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, and of course don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here at JDKick6. I drop a ton of content on there as well, so make sure you're following me. In this video, I will be breaking down this clean pair of Jordan 5s. I'll get into the quality of this upper, this very nice blue suede we have here. I'll talk about sizing, let you know whether or not these are worth paying the resale prices for, and as always I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So there you have it, the Jordan 5 in the Bluebird colorway. Just look at all of those colors. About a month ago, Jordan Brand released their annual holiday calendar to get us excited for the upcoming drops, and my eyes went directly to this one pair, this blue Jordan 5s, because I was like, damn, it's really rare we get a colorway like that on a GR Jordan. For me, it went right to the top as far as must-haves for this holiday season. And damn guys, having these in hand, what can I say? This colorway is so smooth. This is so icy. I feel like if I bring this too close to the camera, I might just freeze my screen. This colorway is so icy, in fact, that the official colorway on the box literally says ice. The other color being blue graphite. And yeah, having these in hand, seeing it in person, it's a very, very nice shade of blue. It definitely has some light gray tones to it. It's a colorway that I will say looks even better in person than it does in pictures. The upper done completely in suede, and it isn't cheap suede, guys. We're getting some very nice suede on this pair. Jordan Brand didn't cheap us out this time. You get some nice metallic hits here, and who doesn't love metallic hits on a Jordan 5? And another thing that surprised me has to be the sock liner. It's done in this nice satin material, which is done in this blue graphite colorway, and it really gives the shoe a premium type of feel. And of course, just when you thought it couldn't get any icier, they blessed us with this nice icy blue outsole. So from a colorway point of view, guys, it can't go wrong. I think this is one of the nicest colorways we have seen on a GR Jordan 5. It actually reminds me quite a bit of the Trophy Room 5s, one of the nicest pairs to ever release on a 5. And let's face it, for most of us right now, those Trophy Room 5s are pretty out of range, so just look at those prices. Obviously, it's missing the white and red hits, but definitely this is the closest pair I feel to the Trophy Room 5s. My only complaint with this shoe has to be the laces. It only comes in these ice blue laces, but I have seen how this sneaker looks if you throw on a crispy pair of white laces, and I just think it really sets it off. Looks so much better on this silhouette. And don't worry guys, if you don't have a pair of extra white laces, you can definitely cop them from my site, Elevate Laces. That is my small business that I've set up to help out all you sneakerheads out there when you're trying to get just the right color laces to match with your shoes. You can either cop the white pair or even the beige pair. I think will look really good on these. I will leave that link in the description, and don't forget, we do ship worldwide for a very affordable price, so make sure you check that out. Let me know down in the comments, guys, how do you feel about this colorway, the Bluebirds? I do wish it came out earlier in the year because this is more of a summer colorway. But shout out to Jordan Brand, you guys did a really good job on this pair. When it comes to sizing, so this is where once again my heart was broken, because this was a woman's release, and as with 90% of Jordan Brand women releases, they only go up to a size 10.5 in men's. And I wear a size 11. I did get this in a 10.5 men's, and yeah, they are not fitting me the way I want to. They are definitely quite uncomfortable. So basically by default, I will be taking an L on this sneaker, which is super unfortunate. For those of you out there who are wondering what size to get, with me, I'm always true to size in my Jordan 5s. Just so you don't get confused when you are shopping for this pair on StockX or other reselling platforms, it will be listed in the woman's size. So make sure you go a size and a half up from whatever your men's size is. For example, if you wear a size 9 in men's, make sure you cop the 10.5 in women's. Let's have a look at prices right now. They're not too bad considering this pair was pretty limited. The bigger sizes, no surprise they are selling for higher than the women's. But the prices are really not too bad, and I'm willing to bet, I know in the past most Jordan 5s don't really perform too well over time. I'm willing to bet that we might see an exception with this pair. I think the colorway speaks for itself. It's also a great alternative to everyone who has missed out on the trophy room 5s. I can easily see these by next year at this time being a lot higher than they are right now, so I wouldn't waste any time. If you guys wanted this pair, I would go ahead and cop right now. As always, I will leave a StockX link in the description so you guys can do that. But let's wrap this baby up. Overall, the Jordan 5 in the Bluebird colorway, a very clean pair of shoes. Very pleased with the quality of the suede and these nice premium hits with the satin sock liner. For me personally, this is my second favorite GR colorway on a Jordan 5. The first is the one you see back here. These are, of course, the metallic 5s. I believe they were released in 2015. And to this date, there hasn't been a cleaner pair of 5s. But the Bluebirds are very close. I'm a big fan of this colorway. I wish, of course, they were able to make these in my size. It's fine, I'll get the next one. But for those of you who are lucky enough to have this pair made in your size, these are definitely a cop. As always, let me know down in the description, how do you guys feel about this pair right here? Is it one of the best colorways on the 5, or am I overhyping this? Let me know down in the comments, I won't get offended. The on feet about to drop right now, but before you watch that, once again, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and also follow my Instagram. Don't forget, Elevate Laces is where you can get your white and beige laces to go with this shoe. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.